Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to install a new set of number plates from numberplatedesign.com on my Honda Jazz. I'm going to replace the stock HSRP number plates on my Jazz as the front plate has been damaged due to a dent and both the plates have slowly been fading out. So I sourced this new set of plates from numberplatedesign.com. They are a company based out of Malappuram, Kerala, and they do a very good job of fabricating and dispatching the plates without delays. I paid rupees 750 for a pair of these plates, including shipping. They have various designs to choose from, so check them out at their website. Although my car has a Kerala-based registration number, the car is in Chennai at the moment, and both TN and Kerala do not have a mandate for replacing all the number plates with HSRPs, and cops do not pull your car over for not having HSRPs. So please check if your state has any such mandate. Okay, so these are the plates. Let me just show you. You can also see they have shipped ample styrofoam sheets inside so they don't get damaged. There are 3 sheets and that will ensure that your embossed plates do not get damaged. It comes in a polythene sleeve. Lovely plates. You have 2 of them here. So these are the SpeedX BigB font you can see here. Lovely large font. Occupies the entire height and width of the plates. The quality of the embossing is also very good. So these are aluminium plates and the embossing is done by the machine, and you also have this black lettering which is done over the embossing, and you get a thin border around the plate. So a lovely set of plates, and it gives you a good visibility, and these plates are also retro reflective in nature, as in when light falls on it, this white paint is such that it reflects the light falling on the plates, and the quality is top class, absolutely no complaints. The quality of the aluminium plate is good, the embossing is fantastic, and so is the paint work. But please be careful when handling them because these are very fragile and they can easily bend. So ensure that while doing an installation, you do a good job. Okay, in case you are wondering about the dimensions of these plates, they measure 520 mm length and 110 mm in height. So before you order, it will be a good idea to see if your car has ample space to accommodate these plates. So let's go ahead and have them installed on my Honda Jazz. Okay, so these are the older plates and the HSRP ones, and you can see I have removed one of the rivets already. I wanted to see how they have been secured. Turns out there are 2 nuts behind these rivets, and they did not have to drill a new hole into this sheet metal of the hatch door. So they've used these nuts and they've used them to secure the rivets from the RTO for securing these HSRP. So what we'll do is we'll remove this rivet. So we have a drill bit here. Let's go ahead and place the bit right through the center of the rivet. That is it. The rivet pops out, and that is how these HSRPs come off. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to clean this area first and then apply a new plate. So a new plate is going to be something like this. I'm going to see if I can have them secured at the same location. So yeah, it does look doable, just that it has to be at the center. Align them at the center, and so I think these 2 spots should be okay. So this is a center punch. So when you use a center punch, what happens is it is easier to make a pilot drill. Okay, so we have the stainless steel bolts on the number plates, and being aluminum, it was very easy to drill and enlarge the holes. So let's have them installed. Rear. Now let's repeat this for the forward section as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and drill these rivets out. You can clearly see the dent here. Bumpers already have slots for securing the number plates, so they already have these clips with nuts behind them. So we'll use the same dimensions. Don't over tighten these guys, because this is aluminium, and stainless steel can heat through aluminium if you over tighten it. So this is enough.